Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure patent applications with InventHelp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the InventHelp website. Locate the section dedicated to patent applications. Familiarize yourself with the resources available for inventors. Select the option to start your patent application process. Register for an account if you haven't done so already. Fill out the required personal information on the registration form. Verify your email to activate your account. Log in to your InventHelp account using your credentials. Navigate to the Patent Applications section once logged in. Download the patent application form provided. Carefully read through the guidelines provided alongside the form. Fill out the form with detailed information about your invention. Include descriptions, sketches, or diagrams if applicable. Ensure that your claims are clear and concise. Review your application for accuracy and completeness. Save your completed application form on your device. Return to your InventHelp account dashboard. Upload the completed patent application form to the provided section. Submit your application and take note of your confirmation number. Monitor your email for updates on your application status. Reach out to InventHelp support if you have any questions or need assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.